I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you also for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do a very versatile and beautiful crochet style on a TWA. If you don't know what TWA means, it means teeny weeny afro. Yeah, so this is the braiding pattern that we'll be working with today. It's just a normal simple braiding pattern. I have leave out at the perimeter of my head, and I have a leave out depth as well at the center of my hair where I want my part to be. And this is the extension that I'll be using, the darling hair. So guys, this is how the hair is looking like out from the package. It's like a kinky texture. It mimics my hair. Like, this extension looks just like my real hair, and I'll go ahead and split it into two because I don't want it to be long. I want it to be really short, and that's what I'll be doing. So around the perimeters of my head, I'll be doing the knotless crochet braid. I'm doing the knotless crochet braid around the perimeters of my head because I have a really thin and short hair. I just thought about this in my head before making this video, that what if I make all the crochet around the perimeter of my head the knotless method? Wouldn't it look really nice? Because I have a thin hair already and I don't want any bumps or any lumps to be showing through my thin hair. So that was why I decided to go with this knotless crochet method.
We be eating ice cream and cake. We gonna do like it's our birthday party on 22. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take you anywhere. I can take you anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me now. My family. We about to throw one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take you anywhere. So come by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love.
When I was done installing the crochet around the perimeters of my head, this is how it was looking, really nice and flat. There's no gap, no space. You want to make sure that you do your knotless crochet neatly and just try to do it as nice as possible. So that is how it's looking, and I'll just go ahead and start crocheting the rest of the hair onto the center part of my head using the normal crochet method.
From my place, can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. Pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong. Really.
When I was done with the hair, I started my detangling process. So I used my fingers and scissors to detangle this hair. I didn't use any comb at all, but if you are comfortable with using a comb, I'll just advise you to use a white tooth comb because this hair has knots in it. I detangled it with my hands and take out the knots with scissors, and that's what I'll be doing. And the hair feels so dry to touch, so I have to go in with my Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner to soften it a bit. So you guys will see me spray in some leave-in conditioner to make the hair softer a little bit. It did work, just a little bit. It worked.
We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through.
After detangling the hair properly, I went ahead to take down my leave out because I put it in a little braid. So I went ahead to take down my leave out, and yeah, I'll just comb the leave out on my head. Yeah, that's my hair. It's really short. I did stretch it out, I think like 2 weeks ago, and I noticed that I have a lot of split ends that I have to cut it off. That's why my hair is looking extremely short now. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and use this string thing to tie it up, and I'll just play with the hair and try to work with it and see what suits my face. And yeah,
You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this.
so I kept playing with the hair, playing around with the hair to see what suits my face. And as you can see, the hair is so nice, looks like my hair. You can see the back part is so flat and beautiful. I'm just feeling myself here, feeling myself. So guys, I'm still rocking this style, and I've received a lot of compliments from people asking me if this is my real hair, and like seriously, I'm so happy for coming up with this idea and making this beautiful hair for myself, and people complimenting me about my hair is so satisfying. And this oil is what I'm using for my hair now. I'll be making a video on my oil mix, so guys, watch out for that. Actually, I styled this hair in 3 different ways. You can style it anyhow you want. This hairstyle is so versatile. Just play with it and work with it and see what suits your face, what you like best. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below to let me know how I did, and also share this video with family, friends, and your buddies. Until next time, bye guys.
I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day.